Hello. People are talking out there, but I now forget to do this tomorrow. So, tomorrow is the Christmas light switch on. Very exciting. So far, me, Kara, and Jake are going. I'm very excited. I think the lights get turned on 7:15. So, tomorrow I'm going to work. I finish at 4:30, and I'm thinking I'm gonna just go straight from work, even though I don't really want to be in my work uniform. But if I go home first, then I'll miss the switch on because the buses are so slow. So I'm gonna go straight from work, get on the bus, meet Karen and Jake in the station. Yeah. Okay. See you tomorrow. Also, another thing to add, my Garrett Watts hoodie came. You can't really see the whole thing. Oh no, I'm gonna wear this tomorrow though. Maybe. I'm gonna put it in my bag to put on over, cause it's getting freaking freezing as hell. Hello. We're in the car. I've just finished work. This is Mother.
Hi, Mother.
She's picking me up to drop me off at the bus stop. And I'm meeting Kara, she's on the train. She's getting off the train at 5:15. And then Jake's coming sometime later. Do you have anything to say?
I don't at the minute.
Nothing?
No.
No gossip?
Nothing. I'm losing my Nando's virginity.
She is. Do you have any idea what you're going to get?
Halloumi fries, halloumi sticks maybe.
I hope you enjoy it.
Some hot sauce.
Behind the tree. Massive tree destroying our view. Mocha with peppermint syrup. And yours? Look at the name. Wait, show you the name. Caramelized latte. See you next year. That was it. Santa is here in the flesh right now. He's here.
Why are you clickbaiting your viewers?
We're not. He's here.
Where?
He's not there.
Oh, he actually is.
Wait, I found him. Wait there.
It's there. On the screen.
My drink. I can't see him, but he's really there. Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga's always here.
This is the view you could have had. We got the view now. It's over. And that's the screen that Santa was supposed to be on. We just saw the leaves.
I see you there.
The diamonds in the light. Disco. 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 I'm getting so many face cards. I can just do Brit. Okay.
My love's got no quite dead. Billy's only drank this, and half of it's gone on her coat. I don't know if you can hear what I'm saying actually. That woman keeps going, sing, and then it's just silent, no one sings, and she keeps doing it. I don't know why. Sorry, I forget that I need to be sat where. I think it's... Oh wow, this is so exciting. Oh, they're actually dancing.